Is it?
It has 3 petals.
You can take the sheet off then. Let Mummy help.
Wow.
I can't open the strap.
It's okay, we just took Ratty in. Is that what you want to do?
Does it look nice, Molly?
Yes, thank you.
Happy birthday, darling.
Happy birthday!
I can't get up.
Do you want to help? Oh.
Can you tell me?
Yeah, you haven't got your shoes on, have you, Billy? Wow, look at you! Woo! Look at that! Clever girl. Should we turn you round? Should we turn you round so you can ride back over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm with you.
Whoa! You need to steer, don't you, remember? Remember to steer. Where you're going. That's it.
Waiting.
Be better when you got your shoes on, won't it?
Now I can wear my own bag.
You can, that's right.
Molly.
Go, go, go.